In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, to whom we all have to turn back. Honorable listeners and respectable audience, you know that we have started a series of linguistics. In linguistics, we have commenced the chapter and it was about morphology. I told you that morphology, it is the study of the formation of words, that how words are formed. It is the study of the structure of words, that how words are structured. It is the internal study of the word. It is also the study of the shape of words, that how words are shaped. And then I shared with you about the different branches of morphology. Like morpheme. Morpheme is the minimal unit of meaning or grammatical function. Connected to this, I shared with you about types of morphemes like free morpheme and bound morpheme. A morpheme which can stand on its own, that is called free morpheme, such as open. And a morpheme which can't stand on its own, that is called bound morpheme. If you remember, I talked about two types of morpheme. That was the two types of free morpheme. That is lexical morpheme and functional morpheme. That in lexical morpheme include open clause such as noun, verb, adjective and adverb. And in functional morpheme include closed clause of parts of speech such as pronoun, articles, conjunction, preposition and interjection. Listeners and audience, today I am going to talk about types of bound morpheme. That how many types of bound morpheme are there. So generally there are two types of bound morpheme. The first one, that is known as derivational morpheme. That is the first one, that is derivational morpheme. And the second one, that is known as inflectional morpheme. Listeners and audience, I already talked about bound morpheme is a morpheme which can't stand on its own. It needs a free morpheme. Let me provide one example that you know about again, and it will be a kind of revision. For example, if I have a word opens, you see there are two morphemes. One is open and another is S. So this open is called free morpheme, while this which is S with it is addition, that is called bound morpheme. So open morpheme can stand on its own, while this one can't stand on its own. It needs this free morpheme. We discussed them in detail in the previous lecture. Now, whatever we are talking about today, that is derivational morpheme. Now, what is derivational morpheme? Derivational morphemes are actually prefixes or suffixes which we use with a word in order to form new words. I am repeating. Derivational morphemes are those prefixes or suffixes which we use to add with a word to make new word. When we are making new word, either we add prefixes or suffixes. For example, we have prefixes like, first of all I'm talking about prefix like un, re, non, pre, etc. These are prefixes. prefixes. We also have a set of suffixes. We also have a set of suffixes. For example, we have nis, we have li, we have ment, and we have ish. We have also many more. These are just examples. It is one set of suffixes and it is another set of prefixes. Now, listeners and audience, in derivational morphemes, we are using some either prefixes or suffixes to make new words. So, such forms are known as derivational morpheme. So, let me talk about, for example, we have good. That is adjective. If you want to make a noun, so you may put this suffixes, that is ness. So now it is a noun, good, goodness. For example, we have quick. Quick is adjective. If we want to make adverb from it, we can put ly, quickly. So it becomes a adverb. And we have verb develop. We have a verb develop. We want to make from this verb as what? Is a noun. So we put ment with it, development. Take the example of boy. If we want to make from it adjective, you may put ish, boyish. Okay. So, listeners and audience, now let's come to the category of prefixes. You make another word in the form of derivational morpheme. For example, we have complete, or we have, yes, there is another word, n. We have complete. This is one word. You make another word when you are adding what? Prefixes like incomplete. Fine. For example, we have our start. You make another word when you are adding prefixes. Restart. So pre mean before and suffixes mean after the word. Listeners and audience, this is about derivational morpheme. Hope that now your concept is clear about derivational morpheme. Now, very close and very near to bound morpheme is inflectional morpheme, or derivational morpheme is inflectional morpheme. First of all, I am going to talk about inflectional morpheme, and then I will tell you the main difference between derivational morpheme and inflectional morpheme. They both are bound morphemes, but they are different from each other. They are very different. Okay, like inflectional morpheme is a morpheme. It is a type of bound morpheme which does not make any verb, but it indicates a grammatical aspect. It indicates that either a word which is used or which is indicating a tense, either it is present tense, it is past tense, it is a fourth form of the verb, a word is singular, or it is plural, or it is possessive pronoun, it is possessive adjective, or it is past form of the word, second form of the verb, or third form of the word. These categories are come in inflectional morpheme. And there are 8 inflectional morphemes. I'm going to write them one by one. But now let's come to the main difference. Derivational morpheme. In derivational morpheme, with the addition of prefixes or suffixes, new words are formed. But here in inflectional morpheme, new word does not form. Only it indicates that a word is singular or plural. It indicates that either it is present tense or past tense. It indicates that either it is fourth form of the verb with ing, or it indicates that it is possessive pronoun, or it is another form of the verb, like we say apostrophe. Let me write them one by one. Inflectional morpheme. For example, we have inflectional morpheme in singular and plural category. You see the word bag, it is a free morpheme. So if I'm adding ed, it becomes plural. So this which I underline, this is what? It is inflectional morpheme. Take the example of take. Take. So this take is what? This take is a verb. And it is pre-morpheme, but when I add s, it become here s you see, this is what kind of morpheme? Inflectional morpheme. So this es you may take. this is the next one. You may take the example of, for example, helper. So here you see just helpful, and when we are adding s with it, so it becomes helps. So it is another form of morpheme in the verb. It shows it is present tense. And for example, if you say helped, here you see this ed, this is inflection morpheme. It tells us or indicates that is past tense. It indicates past tense. We also have helping. So it's mostly used in participle or present continuous tense or past continuous tense or future continuous tense. So it also indicates tense. Similarly, we also have possessive pronoun or possessive adjective. Let me talk about first possessive pronoun, yours. We are talking about yours. So here this s is what? It is inflectional morpheme. And we also have Aslam books. Aslam's book. This apostrophe s show position. So this is also included in it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What is left? For example, we have another one, and that is, for example, help we have written. That can be es. Yes, we have two types like them. One is s, another is es. For example, we have cupping, we have huge, we have come, we have go. I have mentioned this. Okay, go. So you see here we have go, and with it we are putting es. So here this es is what? This is also inflectional morpheme. So listeners and audience, hope that this is clear to you. Thank you.